Moldy grout, scary showers. Is your bathroom a nightmare?
Get your dream bathroom during Comfort's Bathtober blowout. You have this. Why settle for this when you could have this? Endless options, affordable, the high-end look of tile or stone without the maintenance. The only bath system backed by Comfort and the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. Finally, have a luxury bathroom custom built in as little as 1 day by experienced Comfort employed installers.
Our promise is to give people the bathroom of their dreams that is maintenance-free, affordable, without a messy installation.
And now, during Bathtober, receive $1,000 in free product upgrades toward your dream bathroom, plus 0% financing for 24 months. If you can dream it, we'll help you design it. Visit comfortwindows.com to get a free estimate today.